Looking for a unique Halloween accessory that's fun and easy to make? In today's video, we are creating 2 DIY bucket hats, a cute jack-o'-lantern and a spooky glow-in-the-dark skeleton. Whether you're looking to dress up for a party or just want a little festive touch, these hats are perfect for Halloween. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Megan, and I love doing DIY crafts and just craft videos, so welcome. Today we are diving into a fun and easy DIY, which is just in time for Halloween. I'll be customizing these plain bucket hats with some spooky designs. If you love Halloween crafts, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Here's what you'll need. Blank bucket hats, heat transfer vinyl, I'm using black for the jack-o'-lantern one, and glow-in-the-dark for the skeleton, a cutting machine like the Cricut, then you will need a heat press. If you have the small Cricut iron, that is perfect for this. However, I don't own one, so I will be using my HTV Run Auto Heat Press, and I will show you what I do to get those designs on. You will also want to have a small pressing pillow. Up on my screen is what I'm talking about, and that's just gonna kind of help get the design onto the hat, because at least it gives us something to press onto. All these materials are super easy to find. The bucket hats that I have here today are ones that I got at my local wholesale t-shirt shop. Let's get started with the jack-o'-lantern hat. I'm in Cricut Design Space looking for jack-o'-lantern designs. This one looks kind of friendly, so I think I'm going to use this for this project. I am adding this to my canvas now. The design's a little too small for what I want, so I do enlarge it and make the width 3 inches. I then get it ready to be cut out on my Cricut. Make sure you mirror the design. This is something I used to forget to do all the time, so all my designs were not the right way. Make sure your Cricut is connected. Then for my material, I hit everyday iron on. Now that we have our design ready, let's cut it out with the Cricut. Next, I'm going to place the vinyl on the hat and use my heat press to adhere it. Be sure to check your heat settings for your vinyl, but I have mine set at 315 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds. First, I press the hat for 5 seconds to try to get any wrinkles out so the design will adhere better. To be able to get the design to lay flat I had to shove this tiny press pillow, and I had to fold the sides of the hat underneath it to kind of get a smooth surface for me to be able to put the design on. It's gonna look a little awkward, but it gets the job done, especially if you don't have one of those miniature presses. I let it sit, as this is a Cricut brand vinyl and it is a cool peel. I press it one last time to make sure that the vinyl is really on there. And look at that, we have our cute jack-o'-lantern hat. Now let's get on to the skeleton hat. Just like the pumpkin hat, I resized and mirrored the design before cutting. The glow-in-the-dark HTV works just the same as the regular vinyl, but when the lights go out, it really shines. I used the same time and temperature as the previous hat. The vinyl is a different brand, but it works very similarly to the Cricut brand. But again, make sure that you check your vinyl settings. And here is the final skeleton hat. I really like it, and it looks really cool when it's dark outside, or if you just happen to be like in a dark place. It is super cool, and under a black light is really cool too. And there you have it, 2 super fun Halloween bucket hats. The pumpkin one is perfect for like daytime events, while the skeleton one is perfect for nighttime. Let's turn the lights off and I'm gonna show you how this looks. Thank you so much for crafting with me today. If you enjoyed this project, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIYs. Let me know in the comment which hat was your favorite. Are you team pumpkin or are you team skeleton? I will see you guys in the next video. Happy crafting. Adios.